Hi, before this video gets started, I just want to say, I'm done with school, so I will be making more content. Enjoy the video. What's up, nerds? It's been quite a while. Welcome to a little game that I found on Steam called Indigo Park. Oh, fuck that bird. That is terrifying. Start a new game. I don't have any save data, so it doesn't really matter. Oh, yo, Raccoon Man! Little raccoon.
For all who journey to this newfound paradise, we welcome you. Indigo Park offers a slice of the American dream to carve
American Dream! America!
Memories of days gone are brought back to life as a new generation captures a glimpse of the exciting potential of tomorrow. Indigo Park pays homage to the values, dreams, and unwavering truths that gave rise to our great nation.
Okay.
Here you embark on the journey of a lifetime. A place of
Sorry about my dogs in the background, those heckin' dudes. Okay, so... Mom's favorite. Oh, that's the scary bird. Okay, what is the premise, I wonder? Come meet Finley. I don't want to meet Finley. Local park sudden closure. Indigo. Okay, well. Oh, this is gonna fill my pants with so much shit. Man, the music was cool. Birds of a feather. Birds of a feather flock together? Man, if friends were considered birds and they flock together, I have no friends. I don't know where that bit's going. I don't play many horror games. This is gonna suck. So far, it's really well done, and I will say this is an indie game, from what I know. It's like a indie mascot horror. Go support the developers and whatnot. If there's any way I can support them, I'm going to very much try. Okay, so future Dr. Plague here. This Unique Geese. This is the developer of the game of Indigo Park. They have the whole video talked about what they did with the game and how they're making it and what it is. More so, I'm just a guy who's playing the game and I want to support the game because it's fun. It's so much fun. It's great, terrifying, and I love it. Okay, well, so I gotta say, I will link this video at the end of this video. I will link this video and them in the description and try to push their content out because it's really cool. This game, Indigo Park, it's awesome. Okay, goodbye. Whoa. Why is my sensitivity so high? Hold on. Controls, why is my sensitivity so high? Okay. Apply. Okay. Oh. Indigo Park. Park of Indigo. Textures there are weird. It's just gonna open for me? No? Okay. Okay. Mysteriously open.
Hi there, and welcome to Indigo Park, the world's most innovative and engaging family fun experience. Jump into the world of your favorite character. You're our first guest in 2,920 days, 4 hours, 23 minutes, and 38 seconds. Congratulations! I'm Rambling Raccoon, and it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is the most fun it can be. Just hop on over to the registration where our friendly assistant will help you begin your adventure in the park.
Is your name Rambly because you don't shut the fuck up?
Hi, I'm Ramley the Raccoon, and it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is registered. Let me just get a good look at you. Don't seem to have your face in our guest list. Is this your first time here at the park, or did you just get plastic surgery? No worries, it's
Hold on, I'll be right back. Man, this game's great! I love it! Resume.
Rambly Tuesday!
Rambly Tuesday!
For a big discount on your visit! Just follow me to the main gate! Ooh, I can't wait for you to see everything Indigo Park has to offer!
Okay, Rambly. Meet Rambly at the park's main gate. I found a collectible. This is the main gate, right?
What's the hold up? The gate's open. Head on into the entryway.
Is it?
Hold on. My mistake. The gate is not open. There seems to be an error message being sent from the gate's power unit. Lucky you! You get to be the first person to try our turn on the generator mini-random adventure. Have fun!
Turn on the generator. Can I collect that? Yeah, another collectible! Whoa! Okay. I'm going to follow the thingamabob.
The Indigo Violet compact power generator. But it seems to be inoperable. Looks like it's missing a piece. Can you find it?
I'm missing a piece. Raccoon! Hold shift while walking to sprint. Yep, I figured that out. So by the looks of it, it's missing a gear. I have no reflection. Am I a ghost? Am I a vampire? Oh, that's very unsettling. The door closed. Oh, it's right here. Oh, it's because the door's right here. Okay, I did it. I flipped a switch. Oh, the music got real ominous all of a sudden.
Okay, for real this time. Welcome to Indigo Park!
This place has looked like it's seen better days. Oh, the fact that we have to toggle the flashlight. Oh, God.
Silly Ramley. Every guest needs a critter cuff that will allow you access to reserved areas, charge payments to your room, and wear a critter cuff! I think there's some in the gift shop. Head in there and I'll get you set up.
Rambly the Raccoon is probably the coolest mascot character ever. Enter here.
Here you go, buddy. Your very own critter cuff. A new way to interact with the park that also doubles as a pedometer, heart monitor, and a mood ring. Data disclosure agreement included.
Data disclosure. I can tell a lot of care has been put into this game. I love it.
Uh-oh, the door is mysteriously locked. Why not test out your band and save the day?
Do I use it here? Okay.
Hooray! Great work, buddy!
Oh no! The door mysteriously locked? How could that have happened? There any secrets? Nope. Okay. Oh no. God, this is pretty. And I mean, I think it's just my computer, but some of the textures aren't loading. Like, these textures on the signs and whatnot are not loading. Oh, God. Okay, that's a loading zone. I thought... Okay. Okay. Hello, scary.
Partner test, buddy. Looks like the park is going through some renovations. For the inconvenience, your Rambly Tuesday discount will be 3% off.
Whoa.
Let's celebrate this great deal with the Ride My Railroad. To test your sleuthing skills, I'll let you find this one all by yourself.
Man, I could... Oh, God. Oh, God. Man, Rambly's great. Okay. How dark is it? Oh, I can't see anything. No, thank you. We're keeping the light on.
Facial data suggests you may be a bit older than the target audience for this ride, but it's one of my favorites. Do you know why Rambly the raccoon loves Rambling's Railroad?
I also like trains, man. I love trains so much. I get on the TISM train every day. That's just because my obsession with Persona. The TISM train.
Welcome to Rambly's Railroad. I'm Conductor Rambly.
Rambly? Buddy? Okay, you're still alive here. If anything were to happen to you, I'd cry.
It's Molly the Cop.
It's Molly McCall, the greatest pilot you ever saw.
You're a bird, you have wings. Why do you need to fly a plane?
I'm not crashing, Rambly. I'm barnstorming.
What's barnstorming?
It's crashing with a smile. It barely hurts at all. Hey, those adventures you got along with you look like great pilots. Why not try your hand at flying in my ride? Rooftop racing.
Mission Ludwig Critica.
Bum, 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 bum. What happened here? Oh, that's adorable.
Oh, Billy, come on out and greet the people.
Hi, Rambly.
Why the long face and body?
You've known me for 100 years, Rambly. I'm always long because I'm always longing for a new seashell for my collection.
Oh, Billy,
That's not
should
funny.
come out of your shell.
How about you come into it instead? My ride, Oceanic Odyssey.
Dude, you sound
takes
depressed. You need a
all
therapist.
waters down under the deep blue sea. It's as blue as me. I hope you'll visit.
You need a therapist, buddy. I'll get some donuts. I'll bring Nintendo. We can play Smash Bros. Talk about your problems. Man, what happened here? Oh, that's... Get the ride back up and running. Okay. Oh, God. Alright, I gotta get Rambly fixed. That is really loud. Okay, then. Looks like I'm missing some good old-fashioned gears. Oh, Look at that. There's one. And another one. Hey! Look, the developers, good job. You made the puzzle easy. You made it easy for my small brain. So very helpful. And we're sprinting back to the ride. God, this game is cool. I love the atmosphere. Do I know what's happening? No.
Do not shame me with that common folk name. I am the proud, the prestigious, the professional Lloydfoot L. Lion, actor extraordinaire. Great act, Lloyd.
I agree with you. Yeah, good act. Good act, Lloyd. Fucking weirdo. Oh, is it over? Okay. Bleep bloop.
So, what do you think? Pretty fun, right? Now you know all about my friends. And Lloyd.
And
So
Lloyd.
where do you want to go?
You know all about my friends. And that one guy that no one cares about. What's his name? Oh, yeah, Lloyd. No one fucking likes Lloyd. Little Lloyd. 10 points if you get that reference. Nothing. Okay. Where are the spooks? I want to see the spooks. I want to be scared. Actually, no, I don't. I don't want to be scared. Oh, heck yeah. Restaurant? You got muffins? Cookies? What are those? Cookies? Oh, that's mold. Hey, a collectible.
Buddy, come over here.
What's up, Rambly dude?
This here is an information kiosk. If there's anything around the park you want to ask me about, just stop by here and I'll ramble on about it. Ew, Lloyd.
That's funny. Oh, what's going on with the clock there? Is Made in Heaven here? Reversing time, fast forwarding time.
Wow, look at that! You're at Jetstream Junction! Oops! Looks like Jetstream Junction's being tuned up! Last I checked, there's a security office in the back of the theater. Maybe a friendly wrangler can help you get in!
Orange level access. Granted. Okay. At Lloyd's main stage. Oh, was it spelled main like a lion's mane? That's very clever, developers. Lloyd's main stage theater. You know, just because Rambly the raccoon doesn't like this guy, I don't like this guy. Okay. Going through the door to the main stage. Oh my. What's this? Oh no. Look, man, I just want a key card.
Hey, buddy, I've got eyes all over the park, but I can't see anything behind the stage. You're going back there, be careful. Your critter club is not yet able to resuscitate you.
Resuscitate me? What does resuscitate mean? I'm stupid. Okay, I know I said spook me game, but I'm... Oh, fuck. Oh, screw this. Screw this, Batman. I'm gonna get the key and then run. Oh, I don't like this. No, thank you, Batman. I am not a coward. Oh! Okay, my pants are filled with shit. That genuinely terrified me. Oh, hey. Hey, let's go. I need a key, right? Hey! A key! Okay. I'm gonna have to run like a maniac through this, right? Oh, no thank you, no thank you, no thank you. Oh, I hate this, I hate this, I hate this. Go away. Go away. Just run. Just run and everything will be fine. Just think. Oh god. Man, I have beefy arms. Oh god! God! I was just talking about my beefy arms. Did it open? Huh? Excuse me? I saw a creepy bird. You know, I don't like it. I'm running. Excuse me, Batman. Oh god, oh god. Okay, leave. Leave. We're done with the theater. We don't like Lloyd. He tried to kill us twice. Stupid lion. Okay. Oh, Jetstream. Where am I going? Jetstream Joyride? Jerking off Joyride? Joyride Pantsless Land or something?
You found my buddy Finley. You know, he's really shy. Like, too shy. Like, obnoxiously shy. But he's got a good heart. I hope you get to meet him someday. Ooh, that's a Ramley cup.
Okay.
Nothing beats the taste of fresh raspberry juice drunk directly out of my plastic, lifeless head.
Whoever wrote this... Oh god, that's fun. Drink this out of my lifeless head. Oh my goodness. Do 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 do.
Say, why don't you check out Molly's rooftop races? It's not far from here, and it's a great warm-up before we get into the bigger rides.
Hey.
Just take it up at Molly's landing pad.
Just taken up. Excuse me, sir. How do I get to the next level? Oh, you just take an up and you'll get there. What the hell's an up? Figure it out. Okay. Yeah, why do you need to fly when you have wings? Molly's garage. Just taken up at the landing pad? Oh, is this a bar? An arcade machine? Yo, you playing a video game in a video game? Okay. Wow, this is so cool. Oh, dude, this is sick. Oh, this is so cool. Whoa. Okay, lovebirds. Whoa. Whoa. Bam, 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 bam. This is so cool. Oh no! I fell. Boink. Oh, Man, this game is so well thought out. Molly, what happened? Couldn't see a thing. God. Oh, shady skunk. Try my new potion on her instead of wasting it on squirrels. Molly, look out! Too slow, dumpster face. Molly Macaw. God, I can't. Have fun finding out. Oh, a boss fight? Oh, did it do it? Victory. Oh, God, that was so loud. That was loud. Cool. Got a collectible. Do I go through here? No. Okay. But yeah, that's cool. A whole little arcade section. Very nice. It is so dark. I don't approve.
Oh no, this is horrible. Looks like Molly crashed into the ride again. Don't worry though, your pal Ridley has the repairman on speed dial.
We're sorry. The number you have dialed has been disconnected or is no longer in service. Please check the number and dial again.
Say, why don't you check out Molly's landing pad? It's not far from here. It's a great cooldown after that exhilarating ride. Just take a down from Molly's rooftop races.
Okay. We'll just take a down. God, it is so dark. Huh? That wasn't on the ground before, was it? I don't remember. God, my one complaint is that it is so dark. Why is it so dark? Landing pad. Oh. Oh. What could possibly go wrong? Yeah, I'm having fun. Oh God, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Oh, did I get myself stuck? Oh no. Oh no, I got myself stuck. Oh no, I didn't. Okay. What do I do now? Okay. Weird puzzle thing? Wait, purple star. Is there a star? Oh, screw this, Batman. Oh no. Oh. Oh no, thank you. Oh no, this is. Oh no. Oh god. Duh! Is that's blood? Why is the bird dripping blood? I don't like this. Okay, landing pad. Okay. So I need to look for shapes. Different colored shapes with thingies. I don't like the noises that I'm hearing. I don't like the noises. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Ah, look at me, I made it. I'm a professional. I don't like this. This is terrifying. Oh, green triangle. Okay, green triangle, red star. Green triangle, red star. Green triangle, red star. Why is there blood on the trampoline? Blue star. Red triangle. God! Green star. Blue star. Okay. I was already on star. Star. I think this was triangle? Triangle. And then this was star. Oh, wait, is that a thingy? Do I not need to do this puzzle? Oh no, I need to do the puzzle. Square, you doing something? No? Okay. I don't like that there's creepy bird in here. I don't like that. Okay, red star. Oh, oh, okay. So the star is red. Star is red. Red star. Star is red. Red star. Green triangle. Blue star. Green triangle. Green is triangle. Yellow is mystery. It's red star. Green triangle. Hey! Haha! I did it! I opened a door! I'm leaving! I'm leaving! Screw you, scary bird! Whew! Okay. That wasn't that bad. Oh, I'm still in a play area. Ooh. Oh, I'm missing something. Okay, what am I missing? That's locked. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Okay, I'm dead. That... Okay. You were caught by Molly Macaw. Molly can repeat words that she heard. Don't be fooled. Press E to respawn. Okay, Molly Macaw. What? I thought this door was supposed to be open. Oh, do I have to do this thing first? And then open sesame? Yeah. We're just gonna start running. Okay. Go. Go, go, go. Oh! Ah! Okay, my game lagged. Don't go straight. Go to the one to the left. Oh, was I hitting... Did I hit caps lock? You were caught by the scary bird. Molly can repeat words she heard. Don't be fooled. Okay. Rambly, I need your help, buddy. Then hop down. Trick that. Go, 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 go. Okay. Oh, God. Okay. Go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Oh, I can see why this place got shut down. Oh. Oh, no. I don't know if I'm even going in the right direction. I'm just running. This music is cool, though. Good job, developers, on the music. Wait, did I just go in a circle? Oh, no, I didn't. Okay, run, 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 jump. I can be a backpack while you run. Just run away. Focus on staying alive. Pinky stays glued to ship. Rambly, help me. Okay then.
Welcome to the Ramblers Wranglers Register Grill. Here we got plenty of amenities and... Okay. I can see in your facial tracking that you're scared and angry, upset. Transparency is an important part of our policy here at Indigo Park, so I need to be honest about something. The park has been inactive for years. Employees stopped showing up. Guests too. The mascots are...
Okay.
I just was so excited to see a visitor. I wanted to be sure you were given the best experience possible.
Oh, it's okay, Rambly.
I was confined to the entrance for so long, I didn't realize just how much this repaired park is falling into.
Oh.
Wasted all your fun time. Sorry for the inconvenience. But I have an idea. I have access to the repair documentation in my database. I just can't execute most tasks without authorization from a human user.
Don't worry, Rambly.
You must have come here because the park managed you too, right? Would you
I don't know why I'm here.
help me restore the park? I can see in your facial tracking data that you aren't opposed to this. Ooh, I'm so excited. Let's get this place back in business. Okay, welcome to the crew, Rookie Wrangler. Your first official job as one of Ramley's Wranglers is to get out of the Ramley's Wranglers room. Head left towards the Rookie Wrangler security room to set yourself free. Whew, kind of exhausting to say that whole spiel, but Ramley's Wranglers is a registered trademark.
Wrangler Rangers. Ranged Wrangly. Wrangly ranged. Whoa. So, that bird went into fucking ground. That was...
Whoa, where'd you get that? Brambleberries are my favorite! Oh, if only I could jump out of the screen and take a big bite. Don't eat it! Maybe I'll be able to one day!
Rambly the raccoon. At first I didn't really like him much, but he's pretty cool. Oceanic Odyssey.
You made it to Oceanic Odyssey! You're doing a great job, Rookie Wrangler!
Okay. Now this is only chapter 1.
You'll find a poker and porpoises, pickles, and perches as far as the eye can see. Please don't tap the glass. Really not what?
Is this the end of chapter 1?
Hey, buddy. You okay? You look kind of tired. Do you need a moment? Don't worry, it's fine. I don't blame you for taking a rest after all that. Heck, I could go for a nice, relaxing defragmentation myself. But before you settle down, you up for a little survey to help us improve the park? Thanks for visiting Indigo Park. Hope all your dreams came true. If you've got some time and you're out for a lark, stick around for the Rambley review. I'm here to offer my best to each valuable guest I assist. And lots of happy feedback ensures I get to exist. Were you satisfied with the rides? Were you satisfied with your guide? Do you plan to come back? Will I see you again? Did your experience convince you to tell a friend about us? Did I earn your trust? At Indigo Park,
Wow.
there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to
Wow, this is great.
devotee.
Good job, developers. Good job, writers. Good job, everyone part of this game. I know this is only chapter 1. I fucking loved it. This was great.
Spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. That is, if you want to keep going. Oh, idea! I know all of this isn't fair to you. It's an awful lot to ask.
I love the little
Here
musical
comes
number at the
Rally
end.
Review Part 2 to sell you on our task. I'm here to view and assess each valuable guest as I learn. And lots of
Rambly
happy
is the best part of this
feedback
game.
you're gonna return. I'm so happy you rode a ride. I'm so happy to be your guide. So come back anytime. I'd love to see you again. In all my thousands of days, I've never had a friend like you. least I hope I do. At Indigo Park.
Wow. This is great. I love this. This place, this game.
You've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park. At Indigo
Park.
Mysteries, even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark. And I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. Till all my old friends are united again, and I won't feel so left behind. Okay, I'll let you go. See you next time, buddy. Please.
Aww. Wow. Well, that was Indigo Park Chapter 1. Indigo Park is a full-on passion project that we've been working on for a little over a year now. The stories that we want to create with Rambly and his friends are very special to us, but with the scale of the game, you're going to need some help. If you enjoyed the experience of Chapter 1 and considering supporting our socials if you want to see Chapter 2, no matter what happens, we hope you enjoyed your stay. Thanks for visiting Indigo Park. Wow. Mason, Rambly, and the dev team. Yeah, totally go check out the socials for this. I wanna know what happens next. The bird was terrifying. Unique geese. Wow, yeah, I loved it. Yeah. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this episode, this video of Indigo Park. I'm totally, whenever the second chapter of this comes out, I'm totally gonna play it. I'm totally going to play it, and it's gonna be so much fun. Alright. Thank you, nerds, so much for watching, and I'll see all you next time. Goodbye.